Today, the Elmira City Council held a meeting with a few agendas on it. One change that was voted on was a replacement to the fight on blight. Originally passed in April, the fight on blight was the resolution that looked to help the city with issues faced by renters by putting out a list of properties that weren't up to code. Homes that would be included on the list are ones that have open code violations, left unregistered or uninspected. In May, the first list of fight on blight was posted but promptly taken down after errors on the list were found. In August, at home on 909 Davis Street in Elmira, which was listed in the Flato Bite, was torn down, leaving nothing but rubble. The new resolution looks to be a replacement of old guidelines needed to make the list. In a post explaining the new resolution by Elmira City Councilman Gary Brin, two primary reasons for the proposed change was a lag in data on property transfers, making it more difficult for accuracy with each report, as well as expanding the flight on blight areas, including vacant and zombie properties, and infill development. And while the resolution to have the city manager work with the list did go through today, the controversial gun detection system was left off the agenda. Dante Brown, Big Fox News, Elmira.